This is the most accurate open interest indicator on TradingView. Thanks to it, I make my profitable trades. And right now, I will show to you how you can set it up absolutely free. And also, I will share with you my secret. Let's go. Our lesson plan. First, what indicator exactly do I use and reasons behind that, how to set it up, my settings, and why do I think it is the best free indicator on TradingView. First one, what indicator exactly I use? It is open interest suite aggregated by Leviathan. First reason, it's free. Second, it takes data from Binance, because Binance is the biggest crypto exchange. It is nearly 50% all futures market right now. How you can get it? Simple, go to indicators, right here open interest, and this one open interest suite aggregated by Leviathan. After that you add it, and let's go to your settings. Why do I think it is the best indicator on TradingView? First reason, the most important, it shows to you a clear liquidation levels. Let me show you example at this moment. Have a look. When open interest drop a lot, it is area where someone got liquidated, and have a look how often such areas become clear reversal points. The same here, big liquidation, reversal point. This stuff works as for altcoins, as for Ethereum, same. This stuff works really well for Bitcoin. Have a look. Open interest liquidated, exactly reversal. Big drop of open interest, exactly stop. Just beautiful. Second reason, it is area of traps, because you can see where people get trapped. This one, it is advanced topic, and about that I added my free lesson about my strategy. It will be in description. After settings, use info about my strategies. And confirmation for breakout. It's also about my strategy. I will add you free materials in description and into a card. Okay, how exactly you can set it up? As I showed to you on TradingView, you add it on a chart. After that, you go to the settings, and you can just repeat my settings. First, as you can see, the most important here, it is a Binance data, because Binance has the most accurate exchange. The most important, it is Binance USDT, because it is like 90% of Binance volume is there. Second, I use this color. I use green up and red. Slightly, as you can see, it is slightly green and slightly red for up candle and for down candle. Also here, do you see, we have a high large OE increase and high large OE decrease. And you can see that it is dark red and dark green. Why I do this one? Because on a chart, it shows me areas when volume increase aggressively, and for me that's really matter, because such areas, as you can see, this could be reversal points, and also it could be a start of breakout, as it was here. Massive open interest entered, and after that Bitcoin, as you can see, started this beautiful rise. Open interest could be a signal for a start a trend and also reversal a trend. And if you would like to get special help from me and my team with learning strategies based on this open interest, also receiving signals where we make significant profits, also receiving calls where we predict market reversal or trend change, all that you can get with our educational program plus community. Information will be in description. Just fill the form, speak with my team. They will show to you more information, and after that you will decide would you like to join or not. I will be happy to see you inside. Let's go back to the settings. Also here, display. Here I added open interest. I do not add open interest delta because some people use delta. Some people, I like to see how it change, in what cases it's add, in what cases it's step. Honestly, you can test it and check what works better for you. Open interest delta, open interest delta and relative volume, open interest RCI. Just use what's better for you. Second, it is quoted in. I use USD, and what's the main reason why I use USD? Because some people use coin, and honestly, it's a little bit confusing. Because example for you, imagine the situation of with Bitcoin. Bitcoin 1 year ago, price of Bitcoin were at 16,000, and have a look at that time. Open interest were bigger if you use coin amount than at this moment. But in reality, in real money, in USD, at this moment, open interest slightly bigger, because price rose 100%, and same amount of coin, it is 2x of real money. That's why I recommend you, for me, it's better to use in real money, because people in the end on their platform deposit USD, calculate profits in USD, calculate stop loss in USD. That's why better to also calculate open interest in USD. My friend, if you will need any help in the comments, you can write any comment regarding this, and I will personally reply to you as soon as I will see your comment. Also, right now, I prepared for you a free lessons about our trading strategies that based on open interest that I highly recommend you to watch, because you will understand our approaches and you will start making money with us. That's why watch these lessons and see you in next videos. Bye.